Real estate team leaders. If I know one thing about being a team leader, I know that you guys are tired of doing $10 an hour tasks. You're tired of interviewing. You're tired of trying to find the right people for your team. You're tired of training and building systems out. You're tired of paying that VA. And we're going to talk about AI tools that you can use to stop doing these minute tasks that you have been doing for years that you now hate. Make sure you stick around to the end because we're also going to talk about a bonus one for content creation. Without further ado, all right, so all these systems for the most part are going to go hand in hand, but what these systems are designed to do is help you step back and get your time freedom back. So we're going to be talking about things that can help you build systems, change systems, adapt systems, and kind of change how you do things. Number one, no particular order, is going to be an AI system called Trainual, plus using ChatGPT with correlation. So what you can do is use Trainual to build, you can use ChatGPT to build out some of your training system, your SOPs, frequently asked questions, your workflows, and then you pair it with Trainual, and Trainual will kind of deliver it like a Netflix. So you will be able to give it to your new agents without hiring a VA, without hiring an assistant, without taking countless calls or stepping away and doing countless trainings. Everything will be built into that system, and all you gotta do is give it out. But again, stay tuned. Great uses for Trainual and ChatGPT will be building out your buyer's consultations, your listing presentations, how to show a property, what things to do to get the property ready before an open house or before showing. All these things that you want your agents to do, put that into the system and boom, it's already done. Next on the list is going to be Descript plus Opus Clips. I want you guys to keep Opus Clips on everything that you do, because if you're a content creator, if you're putting out short form content or long form content, Opus Clips can handle all that. You don't need to pay an editor anymore to do this type of stuff. You don't need to spend hours editing if you're just now starting to do it and you didn't want to pay an editor. Opus Clips will do all the editing for you. But here's how you do it for your team. So you pair Descript with Opus Clips. So if you have Zoom meetings or Looms or again, trainings that you want to handle and you want to kind of break it down or edit it or get it out to different sections of your team, you can use these two platforms in conjunction with each other and get that all done without lifting a finger. So not only can you use this to build your normal brand and make it simpler, such as when you do market update videos or you're doing educational videos or frequently asked questions videos, not only doing all that, but you can also use it to attract agents to your team. So if you're in a Zoom meeting and there's important things that you want to kind of highlight that you guys talked about, you can use Opus Clips and Descript to script it all out, put it into a video, and then have Opus Clips edit it and put it on your normal platforms that you're using to build your brand. If you start posting content that's behind the scenes of your team and it shows all the value that you're giving your team as a team leader, that's automatically going to attract agents to you. Okay, so next two things up on the list, again, you can use them together. Now, I know every team leader virtually on the planet already has a CRM, so should every real estate agent. I'm not telling you to use this as a traditional kind of CRM because you already have one. You've probably spent years going through different ones and picking out your favorite. This is a traditional CRM, but you're not going to use it for this. What you're going to use it for is to help attract top agents to your team for a couple of reasons. Number one, if you pair GoHighLevel, which is probably the best CRM out there on the market right now, if you pair GoHighLevel with Mutiny AI, what this does is it builds landing pages to help you attract top agents. It helps educate agents on why you would be the team that they want to go to, why you would be the team that provides value. But the key thing that it does, not only does it build things automatically, but it helps put things on there in a native language or native landmarks or things that are familiar to agents in their local market. So if you're building a global team like we are here, and maybe I want to get some top agents in another country that speaks a different language, not only will it build the landing page for me and provide all the value that we offer, but it will also show it in their language and things that they're used to. So it's easier for them to understand. You can also help build it based off certain filters and criteria you want to look at when attracting agents. So if you want more experienced agents, it will build things based off experience level. Okay, so again, these are systems designed to pull you back, give you some time freedom, and not have to worry and spend hours or spend thousands of having other people create this. Now here's where we're going to get into the bread and butter. So remember, we talked about Opus clips on editing, and we talked about maybe recruiting landing pages, and we talked about using AI to scale your systems and save you a bunch of time, that stuff. But you don't want to take the time to film it, right? If you want to film it as opposed to like creating a course or something like that. The way you can do that without spending time filming things is using a platform like HeyGen. So HeyGen can take a simple photo and turn it into a video, or you can record or upload a previously recorded video with your voice, with your look, with your style, and it will create an avatar that is you, that looks like you, that sounds like you, and you can now build a training system just based off this one avatar creation. And you can scale all kinds of different systems just using this one thing. You can even get ChatGPT involved to build out the scripts for you. Okay, if you don't even want to use you, they already have preloaded avatars that can do presentations, that can do trainings. Okay, so you can use HeyGen to do almost everything. You can do it for pre-listing consults, you can do it for hires consults, you can do it for agent recruitment, you can do it for trainings. Okay, all from one simple photo or one video. HeyGen is amazing. I use it all the time. If you comment down below, I'll show you how to use it. I have been using it for about a year now for different things. So HeyGen is absolutely a gold mine. That's going to do it for today's video. Again, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be talking about all things AI real estate from now on. If you want to spend absolutely zero time building out any of these systems or getting the platforms, comment down below AI. We have access to everything that's already built out. All you have to do is plug and play. I'm part of one of the fastest growing real estate teams in the country globally, and everything's already built out. It's plug and play for big team leaders or solo agents. Comment down below to learn more information.